So while the model goes off for a quick comfort break, it's a perfect time for us now to start to turn over from the kneeling, sitting, standing kind of images into the laying down. Okay, so the first start we're going to do is laying down on the belly. Pretty much just like boudoir, we're going to try and make sure that we're hiding enough flesh but showing enough body, making sure we sculpt. So what I mean by that is making sure we always lose a third of the body size if possible. Even somebody with an amazing figure like Briony always wants to look that little bit more than she is. Guaranteed, every woman does on the planet. But the main thing is body shaping as far as the light is concerned. So within here now, basically, I'm going to be in towards the light source. Client is laying down actually on the bed, head towards here, slight angle on the body, but we're using the veil to actually hide and sculpt. And I'll just go through a bit of a flow. But to be honest, the main differences in here, once you've got the body sculpted in the right place and your light in the right place, of course, the main thing is to watch out for hands and their shape and to make sure they're not a distraction within the image itself. So head up towards me, so head around about here, legs towards that bed end, laying on your belly, turn around. If you can just go over to that side a little bit more for me. There you go. Legs are going to be to a slight twist. Just get some of that net in. Excuse me a minute. Excuse me. Hang on. Okay. Quick test shot first. Okay, just a little lean with the head onto the right ear for me. That's lovely. Lower the chin a touch more for me. That's lovely. Just let the hands cross at the wrist. Beautiful. Swap the hands around. It's gorgeous. Lean in a little bit more for me. That's lovely. A little bit more. It's gorgeous. Take the left hand back towards here so it almost pushes the veil away, but you're still resting. That's gorgeous. Keep it. Lower the chin again for me. Can you just drop the feet down? That's gorgeous there. A little lean with the head again for me. Excellent, keep it. Bring this hand just to the touch of the bra strap. You can still lean on it though, yeah? Otherwise you fall over. Slowly lower the chin again. Again, looking here, looking out. Both hands come right forward as such and almost lean into it fully. It's okay. Straight, lean in. Lean the head more, that's gorgeous there. Cheeky expression, happier, that's lovely. Happier again, that's gorgeous. Looking straight up through there for me. And again, it's lovely. Okay, let's roll over to the side. So just lean onto your side for me. Just bring this arm back, that's gorgeous. Push away the veiling fully. Do you want to just move up to me just a touch? Whoa. Top part of the body to me again. Excellent. This hand can lay down on the flat. Just lay it down on the bed. Perfect. Can you bring a little bit of that veiling just onto the leg? That's enough. Perfect. This hand back to the other hand as well. Turn the head around towards me again. Turn the head more. Can you just push away that veil? Excellent. Straight at me with the eyes. Lower the chin again. Keep it. Again. Happier, just a touch. And again. Bring this top knee down to the floor of the bed. So bring it to, that's lovely. Keep it. Lower the chin more. Push this arm back just a little bit. Lower the chin again. Keep it. And again. Push, use this hand towards the leg with the veil. So underneath the veil still. That's lovely. Let's do it. Lower the chin and turn the head for me. It's gorgeous. And again, eyes at me. Excellent. Straight at me again. Use this hand to the bra strap. That's lovely. Push the wrist in a little bit. Finger and thumb. Looking down towards here. Lower the chin more. Again. And bring this hand with some veil to actually hide the belly more. You haven't got much of one. You're okay. Keep it. Lower the chin more. And bring some of that veiling around towards here to hide this arm for me. Perfect. Straight there. Lower the chin again for me. Eyes at me. Lower the chin more. Keep that. Lower the chin again. Happier. Straight at me. And again, fake it more. Bigger, bigger, bigger. That's lovely. Looking down. Lovely. Relax. Okay, so let's just bring one knee up first. Higher. That's lovely. And just kind of a little grip. That's it. Push it away. Let that foot go through and almost lay the leg down flat. this leg down flat, a little bit more. The other leg can go up higher. Can you just push down there a little bit with your butt? Okay, let that left knee go high. Can that leg go flat? More. There you go. That knee up higher. Bring the veil in around now again. Wish we used the short veil now. Perfect. Love it. Twist to me just a little bit and just bring both of the hands with the veil just actually in towards the lap. Love it. Okay. Can you just push this veil again away? Push it underneath. That's it. You there? Twist the body to me a touch. There you go. Lower this knee down again if you can. A little bit more. That's lovely. Little turn with the head. Lower the chin down more for me again. Excellent. Keep it. Just use this hand, the right hand, just to push the veil, but use it as a part of the photograph. That's lovely. Take it behind, underneath the veil, so it's not going to catch the light as much. Cover it with veil first, and now push it. That's lovely. It's there. It's lovely. And again, lean in just to that pose a little bit. That's lovely. It's there. Eyes at me. Looking down to here with the eyes. Turn the head more. Okay, let's lay on the belly, shall we? So we're just going to lay on your belly. On your back. Do apologise. Lay on your back. My fault. Head up towards here again. Push right down the bed a little bit more if you can. Just going to lower. Oh. It's okay. So twist to me just a little bit. Twist to me a little bit more. If you turn the legs away and twist the body to me a little bit, that's gorgeous. Grab a bit of the veil, bring it to your neckline. That's lovely. Keep it. Straight there. Eyes closed for one. Hide the hand on the belly underneath some veil. That's lovely. Keep it. Eyes at me now. Happier. Just a little bit more. That's lovely. Relax. Let's go other lens. Okay, let's do it. So, quick test a minute. Okay, let's do it. Straight towards me. That's lovely. Keep it. Turn the head towards that way a little bit. Stay there. Pinch a piece of the veil, both sides. Bring it on just to hide some body. Cool, it's there. Looking off towards here again. Just turn the head for me. Just the eyes to about here. Quick test. Again, little half smile. Excellent. So let's go to the bed change of position. So we're going to shoot against the light again. So take the head and body just to there. Legs towards that direction there if you can. Okay, let's do from here then. So head back towards me. Towards there, let's do it. Let's bring this hand just towards the strap, this hand just towards the strap. Turn the head towards me a little bit, more. Keep it. Stay there. It's gorgeous there, let's do it. Keep it towards the camera. 1 sec. Excellent. Okay, let's twist the body away from me fully as well. There you go. And just slightly turn the head back to me. Keep it. Shooting the body, not the face. And relax. So laying on the back again for me. Just twisting round now with the body. So you're just going to twist a little bit. Bring the hands together. Looking up again. So ignore me fully. Let's push that down, excuse me. Keep it. Again. Stay there. Okay, so let's lay on your back fully. Legs basically one up, one down with it. Oh, that's okay, I didn't mean that. No, just put it down and just put it onto the toe. So bring it back to you more. There you go, put it up on the toe now, so you go up higher. Okay, looking away towards the light again for me. Towards the light window, more. Happier, just a touch more. It's lovely. Where's that pose? Bring this left knee right back towards your tum more. That's it. Let the right foot out a little bit more. Gorgeous there. Let's do it again. Same thing. Arch up a little bit more with the back. That's lovely. Happier. Bring the right hand back towards the head as well. That's lovely. It's there. Keep it. Excellent. Okay, if you push down the bed more with your bum towards the pillows, a little bit more. Same pose again for me. Arch the back for me again a little bit. That's gorgeous. Push this knee back towards your belly more for me if you can. Both feet on toes. A little bit more, that's lovely. Keep it. Stay there for me. Turn the head away towards the light. That's lovely. Stay there. Towards me with the eyes. Happier just a little bit. Stay there. Again, happier, just a touch more. Fake it. Take the left hand down, grab the veil, bring it across the belly. It's like a pose one-on-one now, isn't it? There you go, that's fine. Keep it there. Keep it happier. Look straight through there for me. Both hands to the belly with the veil. Still looking through there. Still looking straight through. Keep it. Turn the nose down towards here. Eyes here. Keep it. Happier again. Excellent. Knee right the way back for me. That's lovely. Keep it. Relax. Okay, let's just going to go to the legs up, yeah? So let's go with head up that end, feet down here. Come down a little bit more for me. Feet are going to go right up, yeah? So I've lost your face still with this veil. There you go, you're there. Quick test. Okay, legs are going to go up right high and separated. That's lovely. Big giggle though, yeah? Excellence there. Go on, excellent. And again for me, just bring almost this right leg back towards you more. Towards that's good. Happier, faking it. That's lovely, relax. Love that. So just going to do the same shot, but just against the background. So I'm just going to turn you around. So exactly the same shot, okay. Ooh. One sec, hang on. Okay, let's try it, shall we? Go right up, legs apart, happier, faking it, that's lovely. Relax, nice. Let's jump off there, then we'll get rid of the bed.